Put some lemons to a boil and see what happens. Lemon is one of the citrus fruits most used for gastronomic, medicinal and cosmetic purposes. Its high content of vitamin C, antioxidants and essential oils have served as support to improve the appearance of the skin and prevent the development of diseases. What some still do not know is that the shell, that part that we usually throw away, contains up to 10 times more vitamins than its juice and a high concentration of fiber and minerals. Although for cultural reasons we do not usually include it in the diet, the fact is that many are already taking advantage of it for a wide variety of purposes. It contains essential oil, citric acid and other important compounds that can be used for health, home and beauty. As we know that many still do not know what utilities have, then we will reveal 2 tricks to stop wasting them. 1. Homemade air freshener. The strong odor of the peels and their natural oils are perfect for deodorizing the smelly spaces of the home. Ingredients. 1. The peel of 4 or 5 lemons. 2. Half a liter of water. 3. 3 sprigs of fresh rosemary. 4. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. What should you do? 1. Put the lemon peels in half a liter of water and bring to a boil together with the rosemary and vanilla. 2. When the infusion is ready, let it sit and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. 3. Scrape it through all desired areas. 2. Cleansing tea. Vitamin C and pectin-containing lemon peels are useful for purifying the liver, colon and kidneys. Its active compounds drive the elimination of toxins and create a protective barrier against the negative effect of free radicals. Ingredients. 1. 2 lemon peels. 2. 1 liter of water. What should you do? 1. Bring the lemon peels to boil in a quart of water, lower the heat and leave for 15 minutes. 2. Wait until it reaches a supportable temperature and consume